Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the exact Microsoft account tied to Minecraft. This prevents deleting the wrong profile. Once signed into account, Microsoft.com, make sure multi-factor authentication is available so you can complete sensitive actions. Export game saves and transaction records now because account deletion removes access to purchases and cloud saves. While signed in, check subscriptions and linked Xbox or Mojang profiles so you know what will be affected. These steps save data loss and give you confirmation options before you continue to the account closure flow. Once done with backups, navigate to Security, then More Security options, and choose Close Your Account. This triggers Microsoft's closure workflow. You will be asked to verify via email, phone, or authenticator. Complete that promptly to unlock the next screens. Carefully read the list Microsoft shows of services and subscriptions that will stop working, including Minecraft purchases and Xbox profile links. Make sure you understand the 30 to 60-day waiting period and what data will be permanently deleted during that time before you confirm. After you confirm the closure, Microsoft places the account in a recovery grace period. Note the exact end date so you can react if needed. Make sure you removed saved payment methods and canceled any active subscriptions to avoid unexpected charges during the waiting period. If the process stalls, verification fails, or you can't access linked email, contact Microsoft support immediately, have account details and proofs ready, and request help with recovery or full closure. That troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.